Maybe I hang around here a little more than I should. Both know I got somewhere else to go. But I've got something to tell you I never thought I would. But I believe you really ought to know. I love you. Honestly love you. I'm not trying to make you feel uncomfortable. I'm not trying to make you anything at all. But this feeling doesn't come along every day. We shouldn't blow the chance. Got the chance to say I love you. Honestly love you. If we both were born in another place and time, this feeling might be ending with a kiss. But there you are with yours, and here I am with mine. So I guess we'll just be leaving it at this. I love you. Honestly love you. I honestly